The biggest difference between the HX and pricier XC models is the former's lack of a digital interface, meaning they don't get the benefit of partial fan control and monitoring through the Corsair Link software. But the HX is to come with Corsair's Type 4 cables, featuring extra filtering caps and more sense wires on the 24-pin ATX connector. As a result, we expect better ripple suppression and tighter load regulation compared to the supposedly higher performance XC models. We do believe that Corsair will soon start bundling the Type 4 cables with its XC series as well, though, to close this strange performance gap. Besides its 80+ platinum rating, this SU also carries the A to B and Lambda Plus efficiency and noise certifications from Cybernetics. Its top operating temperature for 100% output is set at 50 degrees C, as the ATX spec dictates. In addition, the SU is covered by all necessary protection features, including OP and OFF on the plus 12V rails when multiple plus 12V rails are enabled through a switch located on the back. The cooling fan is the same when found on all of Corsair's high-end power supplies. It uses a fluid dynamic bearing and has a low maximum speed, so even in worst-case scenarios it doesn't make much noise. Finally, a 10-year warranty is one of the longest covering a power supply. Only Seasonic offers something longer. Its Prime models feature 12-year coverage. There is a switch that lets you choose between one plus 12V rail or multiple plus 12V rails. Across the XC family, this is achieved using Corsair Link software. However, since the HX models don't have a digital interface, a different approach had to be used. The plus 12V rails can deliver up to 40A each in multi-rail mode. According to Corsair, each individual connector has overcurrent protection, so no more than 40A goes through any given cable.